You've been blaming the cold. The real reason your plants die every winter has nothing to do with the temperature, it's what you skip doing in fall. Here's the complete checklist in order before winter locks the ground. Step 1. Deep water everything in October or November. This is the most skipped step on this list. Run a soaker hose or drip irrigation around every tree and shrub for several hours before the ground freezes. Plants with plenty of moisture stored in their tissues hold up far better against harsh winter sun and drying wind. Once the ground is frozen solid, their roots can't pull water up, so the reserves they go in with are all they have until spring. Step 2. Apply a slow-acting granular fertilizer in late fall. Late fall fertilizer encourages root development and nutrient storage underground. But the type matters. Use an all-purpose, slow-acting granular formula, not a fast-release one. Fast-release fertilizer in late fall pushes new foliage growth right before winter hits. That fresh growth gets killed. Slow-acting feeds the roots, not the leaves. Step 3. Mulch your beds to 4 inches. When bare soil is exposed in winter, water collects at the surface and freezes around the crowns of your perennials and shrubs. That's what causes heaving roots literally get pushed out of the ground and winterkill. 4 inches of organic mulch over garden beds prevents that freeze-thaw cycle. It keeps moisture in and insulates the roots. Shredded leaves are the best material for this, and they're completely free. Run your mulching mower over them and spread them right on the beds. Step 4. Protect your evergreens from wind. Cold winter wind is the biggest threat to evergreens. It pulls moisture out of their needles and leaves. When the ground is frozen, the roots can't replace that moisture, so the foliage shrivels and dies. 2 ways to stop this. First, wrap plants loosely in natural burlap, not plastic. Leave openings at the top and bottom for air circulation. Plastic traps heat and damages the plant. Second, for extra protection, spray evergreen foliage with an anti-transpirant spray before winter. It dries to a thin, clear film that slows moisture loss without interfering with the plant. 4 steps. Deep water, slow fertilizer, 4 inches of mulch, and cover your evergreens before the wind picks up. Do all 4 before the ground freezes and your plants will come back in spring.